Okay, I don't know if you can see us. Hopefully you can hear us. But we're on South Padre, and it's supposed to be Tasted Thursday, but there's a tropical storm happening, so let's just go.
Okay.
P.S. It's raining.
Ready?
Sure.
Oh, I dropped some on myself.
Oh God! Oh God! It smells. Oh God! Who picked tuna? Who is dry tuna?
But what flavor?
There's a flavor?
Yeah.
Tuna.
There's no flavor to it?
No.
It's dill pickle tuna.
Okay, so it tastes like how I make tuna salad, so it's probably.
Okay, dill pickle.
Huh.
Okay, let's try this. Ready?
No. Okay.
Open. That was the size of the thing. I couldn't make it smaller.
Oh, Cheeto?
No, it's not a Cheeto.
It's an off-brand Cheeto Puff? I don't.
It's called a takoyaki ball. There's octopus in the middle.
I was just thinking I liked it.
You liked it until you found out that it was something.
It tasted cheesy.
Okay, ready?
No.
Okay, this you're gonna put into your mouth and then you're gonna squeeze it. It's in a pouch.
What?
It's in a pouch.
I'm not eating a Tide Pod.
No. It's like a little kid's pouch type of thing.
Oh, I get it.
Squeeze it. Okay. So put it in and then
I can do it for myself. Is that bad apple juice again?
it's drinkable konjac jelly.
What is that? Are we done?
No, one more.
Oh God. What's konjac jelly?
It's peach flavored.
No, that's not what I asked you.
It's
The rain is picking up.
okay, let's see this. This is the last thing. It's in a shot glass. I hate to say this to you again, but shoot it and shoot.
No.
Do it.
What was that? What is that?
But what does it taste like, right? It doesn't taste nasty.
Who did? No, it doesn't taste nasty. It tastes really familiar.
Okay, you can take the things off. Look, it's this tropical fruit punch, but
Okay.
it's little boba pearls. Look.
Oh, okay.
In your mouth.
Yeah, they do. They sure do. Okay.
So there you go.
I think we're going to have to wrap on account of the tropical storm.
Those are tropical storm edition of Taste It Thursday.
Okay. Come back next week.